Hey everyone, Gearhead Abe here. Just want to show you a quick video on how to change an oil pressure sending unit. This is for any 82 to 92, well I should say 87 through 92 TPI L98 Lb9 motors. I'll show you where it's located. Pretty much I'm changing the oil pressure sending unit because mine's currently leaking. It's getting a couple drips of oil coming out of it. That's one of the flaws that it has when it starts to fail. Or it'll start messing with some other stuff. It could make your fuel pump run, from what I just found out. But I'm gonna go down here and I'll show you exactly where it's located. Hang on a second. Let me turn the light on. Okay, so right above your oil filter, right here, is the oil pressure sending unit. And it basically just threads right into the side of the filter housing. Now normally they sell sockets for these things to take them out. This one, however, is such a long one for some reason that the socket would not fit over it. So I just took some vice grips or just a wrench. Basically, it's got threads on it up in there. Right up in here, see, it's got threads. And basically I'm gonna pop that one out and put, where is it? I'm gonna put a different one in. I got the new one right here. See? That's my new one. I just leaved it right there for now. So I'm gonna put that one in, take that one out. And that's pretty much all there is to it. It's not too much of a difficulty at all. But yeah, as you can see, it's making oil drip down, and basically it's dripping onto my oil filter, and my garage floor has a couple drips on it from this. So that's all that is to it, guys. Basically out with the old. Here, I'll take it out. Might get dripped on, let's see. Hopefully not. I don't want to drip it on. Okay. I don't know about you guys, but I think I might have the wrong part. This does look like it's maybe a little bigger. I don't know. I'm gonna check that out. Looks different. Yeah. Well, I'll check that out and see what's up. But that's pretty much it, guys. I just took it out, and I'm gonna check that. Here, let me get out from under the car. Gotta check the part number, make sure I got the right stuff. I thought that was the right one. But anyway, guys, that's how you change them. Just unscrew it, screw it right in the side of the top of the oil filter housing. Alright guys, this is Gearhead Abe. Take care.